Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. You are watching SST Edupedia. I am Assistant Professor Varsha Savlani. In this video, we are going to see the syllabus of the subject called Strategic Management. It is the subject in MCOM Part 1, Semester 1, Strategic Management. Okay. What exactly the strategic management is, why this is important, because in a near future the already students are working, or in the near future they'll go for the job or they'll start up their own entrepreneurship. So how strategies to make the plan is utmost important. So in this subject, what exactly the strategy is, how one person or the group of persons are making the visions, mission, goals, strategies, new ideas, need improvement in the organization, go for the marketing and other things. So in this subject, we are going to learn the entire functional areas of the business. So the subject comprises of 4 modules. In this subject, the 4 modules are there as per the University of Mumbai. The first module is Introduction to Strategic Management. Second is Strategy Formulation, Implementation and Evaluation. Third module is Business, Corporate and Global Strategies. And fourth module is Emerging Strategic Trends. All these are the 4 modules or 4 units you can say you have to do in this subject. Okay. The first module is Introduction to Strategic Management. In this, the concept of strategic management. What exactly the management is, strategic management, which is the process. Strategic management process kya hai? How the companies at the inception of the companies are framing the vision, mission, goals, benefits of the strategic management, which are the risk involved in the strategic management. This is the students are going to learn in part 1. In part 2, the levels of strategies. There are the 3 levels of strategies in the organization. One is called corporate strategy, business strategy and functional strategy. Okay. Functional strategy is also called it as an operational level of strategy. So these are the 3 levels of strategy in the organization. The third part is functional strategy in detail. The functional strategies are nothing but the departments in the organization. And there are the 4 core departments, so 4 core strategies are there. Human resource strategy, marketing strategies, finance strategies, and operational strategies, also called it as a production strategy. The last part of this unit is business environment. That is the components of business environment. There are the internal environment as well as the external environment. In external environment, there is a micro environment and macro environment. This is how the companies are doing the environmental scanning. In which society they are doing the business, so the company does scanning. So this is all the concepts the students are going to learn in this unit, unit 1, that is Introduction to Strategic Management. Talking about unit 2, that is strategy formulation, strategy implementation and strategy evaluation. See, सिर्फ strategy बनाना ही important नहीं है, उसको implement भी करना है simultaneously. Whenever we are implementing the strategy, at that point of time or at a certain period of time, we need to evaluate whether we are going on the right track or not. So in strategy formulation, implementation, evaluation, the first part is how to frame the strategies. There are the various different ways of framing the strategies, like if the company wants to grow, so how the companies need to grow with the help of mergers, acquisitions, amalgamations, joint ventures. Okay, there are the other strategies called takeovers, turnaround, divestment, liquidations. So when the particular strategy needs to implement it, that is how the strategy formulation is helping out. Then strategic analysis and choice. How we need to analyze which strategy at the right time we need to implement it. So we need to make a certain, before deciding which strategy we are going to implement, the corporate portfolio analysis need to be done. That is, the companies are making the matrices, various matrices the experts has given. With the help of those, the companies are deciding the companies are formulating the strategy. So we are going to learn what exactly the BCG strategy matrix is, Boston Consulting Group matrix क्या होता है, General Electric 9 cell matrix जिसको GE 9 cell matrix के नाम से जाना जाता है, then Hofer's matrix which is a mix of PLC, product life cycle. So all this matrix, all these are the corporate portfolio analysis we are going to learn in this unit. Then ETOP, that is environmental threat and opportunity profile, that is in whichever environment we are doing उसमें क्या क्या opportunities हैं to grow, and किन किन से threat है, क्या क्या competitors हैं which gives the threat to the organization. So which are the factors, what are the importance, how we can cope up with the ETOP environment. Then this is all about strategy formulation. The another part is strategy implementation. How to implement the strategy, which are the importance, which are the problems faced by the organization while implementing, which are the steps the company go by step while implementing the strategies, and resources allocation, that most important, whichever work the employees need to do, the sufficient resources should be there with the organization, and which are the challenges the companies can face while implementing the strategies. And last one is strategy evaluation. The companies need to evaluate as well as need to control the strategies. At the time of that, the company need to measure the actual performance with the standard performance. कितना actual performance हो रहा है, standards कितना set किया है. If there is a deviation, at that point of time the company need to think of the strategies how to cope up with the deviations. And then budgetary control, what amount of funds are there to complete a certain project. Okay, so this is all the concepts we are going to learn in unit 2. Talking about unit 3 is business, corporate and global strategies. That is business level पे certain strategies implement होती हैं, corporate level पे strategies, and then global level पे strategies. Which are the strategies? The company can go for the corporate restructuring. If the company is not performing well, they are suffering a losses from last 3 to 4 consecutive financial year, they can go for the restructuring. Okay, so how to go for the restructuring, which are the corporate renewal strategies are there, how the companies can go with the internal and external factors that affect certain situation. Then there is a strategic alliances, the company can work together also. So which are the types of strategic alliances, how the strategic alliances is important in the global environment, the problems which Indian companies are facing at the point of strategic alliances. Okay, then we will learn PPP, public private partnership, what public private partnership is, how it plays an important role in 21st century in this dynamic world. Then which are the problems, how the government is implementing this PPP model. And IT driven strategies, the utmost important, IT sector helps a lot to our core functional areas like marketing, finance, production, HR. So IT, how IT plays an important role in the business organization. So these concepts, corporate restructuring, strategic alliance, PPP and IT driven strategies in unit 3. The last unit is emerging strategic trends, which are the current strategic trends, like India country is well known for the KPOs and BPOs. Many foreign companies, many MNCs, TNCs are giving the task to the KPOs and PPOs to do certain process. So what exactly the business process outsourcing and knowledge process outsourcing are, and what jobs they are doing it. An important role the KPOs and PPOs are playing in our country. Then re-engineering business process. The government is also helping a lot of companies to go for the re-engineering of their business, that is restarting their business rather than completely shut down or winding up of their businesses. Then disaster management, a lot of disasters are happening, certain disasters are man-made disaster which are controllable, and while disaster which are natural disaster which are not in our control. So how we can manage those disasters, so disaster management के strategies क्या हैं, उनके consequences क्या हैं, उनके strategies हम लोग इसमें सीखने वाले हैं. And last is the startups, बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजीज जो हमारे गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया है, देन मेक इन इंडिया मॉडल, उसका प्रोसेस क्या है, कैसे किस तरीके से गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट करती है अंडर मेक इन इंडिया मॉडल सो दैट we can manufacture in our country and do the exports and earn a lot of foreign currencies. Okay, all these concepts we are going to learn in unit 4. Okay, this is entire unit 4. 1 2 3 4 units are there in strategic management. Thank you for watching.